It's all part of how we live our mission, from the beginning to the end of life. Since 2015, St. Elizabeth has invested over $4 million to expand access to care and community services.
In partnering with local hospices.
To fundraise mentorship and virtual education for volunteers.
To find new ways to help people talk about dying and death.
To provide spiritual care and family wellness.
Understanding the journey and designing better experiences together.
The partnership with St. Elizabeth has really changed things for us. It has provided funding and it's provided dedicated staff. Through the partnership, we now have personal support worker coverage 24/7, so that we always have someone with specially trained skills available in the hospice. And that has allowed us to operate at full capacity when we have that demand for our services.
We are on the threshold of a massive expansion that will lead to the development of 10 residential beds, together with a center of excellence that will specialize in palliative care, hospice and palliative care, education, research, and knowledge translation. St. Elizabeth Healthcare has also been very supportive of our endeavors at Hospice Vaughan. Over the past few years, they've provided us graciously with grants that have allowed us to advance our clinical programs as well as plan for our ultimate residential hospice in the city of Vaughan.
One of the things that we're finding in our area is that there is an almost tsunami of people, retirees, moving to our area because of the Four Seasons community that we've got here. One of the things that we recognised not so long ago was that actually it's going to be very difficult for us to support these people as they start to age and as they're faced with significant health challenges. So we had a vision that we would like to expand our services using digital and virtual technologies. And this is when we partnered with St. Elizabeth Healthcare about a year ago.
The Hospice Development Program is enabling Hospice Palliative Care Ontario to support our hospices throughout the province in developing fundraising materials and initiatives that reflect best practice. And the reason this is so important is it's helping build local sustainability and allowing those hospices to thrive in partnership with their own communities.
That type of learning provides us with a lot of things that are important to the volunteers. First of all, it's convenient and they can work at it anytime.
So what I've learned from the course is really wonderful how the team approach works for end-of-life care.
It was really cathartic to hear other people, what they had went through, what I had went through, and to understand how hospice and St. Elizabeth can help you along this journey.
We're not afraid to tackle the tough problems because that's how real change happens. And it happens through people and through communities. So please join us. Thank you.